Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by orienting the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Use a spring bar tool or small flat screwdriver to depress the quick release or spring bar. This releases the band from the lug. Apply steady pressure and hold the band so it doesn't spring out. Once released, set pins aside in a safe container and inspect the lug grooves for dirt or bent pins, because cleaning and straightening here prevents reattachment problems later. Next, you clean and repair the parts so the band sits correctly. Use isopropyl on a swab to remove grime from lug grooves and connector ends. That improves seating and contact. If pins are bent, swap them for same diameter spring bars. This restores secure tension. For metal link bands, remove or add links one at a time and reinsert pins fully. For Milanese or magnetic clasps, reposition and test the hold. Because a snug button. To finish, align the band with the lug and compress the spring bar while sliding the opposite end into the groove. Listen for a click as it seats. Give the band a firm tug and flex the clasp through typical motions to confirm reliability. This verifies that your repair holds under real use. If you notice looseness, swap to a new spring bar of the correct size or reposition the clasp. If you can't seat it, clean the groove again and retry, because dirt or misalignment are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.